This is a video to practice a supplementary sentence pattern for the Ni Hao Textbook, Chapter 3. This is a sentence pattern that allows you to say, a person takes something and puts it somewhere. So we take the word ba, which can be translated as to take, and we use 放在, which means put at, and then we say the place and preposition. So for example, if I wanted to say, younger brother takes a book and puts it on the table, I would say, 弟弟把书放在桌子上。弟弟把书放在桌子上。So I think I have 3 more examples. Why don't you write what you would say, the translation, on a piece of paper? Okay, number 1. How would we say, older brother takes the milk and puts it in the fridge? Number 2, how would we say the students take the chairs and put them on the table? Number 3, how would we say the teacher takes the books and puts them in the backpack? And finally, how would we say Dad takes the backpack and puts it in the car? Next, what you're going to do is complete this worksheet. This worksheet has a comic strip about a family who keeps moving a bicycle around the house and around the garage. So we're going to keep using person in the family takes the bicycle and puts it at a place preposition. So we start with the example, 我把自行车放在车库的前边. And then 妈妈回家, mom comes home, she sees the bike, she can't get into the garage. So 妈妈把自行车放在车库的右边. Right? That way she can get into the garage. And then dad's going to be mowing the lawn and the bike's going to be in the way, so he's going to move it to the back of the house, and so on. It's going to get in everyone's way, so they're going to keep moving it all around the house. And you're going to keep saying where they're moving it to. Okay? And that's the assignment for today.